Life's a journey. Enjoy it to the fullest with the BMW Motorrad Vario luggage system with electronic central locking for the BMW R 1300 GS. To mount the cases on the optional case holder, turn the protective cap to unlock, remove it and keep it handy for later. First, turn the key to release, so the locking flap pops up. Next, push the release lever and fully open the locking flap. Make sure that the magnetic plug connection of the case and the case holder are clean and intact. Then, just hook the case securely onto the mounts and push the locking flap down until it clicks in. Almost done. To secure it all, turn the key in the case lock, put the protective cap on, lock it and fold down the carry handle. Ready to go. Need more? Get more. Install a second side case in the same way, and a top case accordingly. Easy. Now you can lock and unlock all attached Vario cases at once with the remote key of your bike. To take down the cases, remove the protective cap from the case lock, unlock it, turn the key to the middle position, push the release lever and fully open the locking flap. Now, lift the case off with a firm grip. Watch our second video to learn more about the BMW Motorrad Vario luggage system with central locking and combining them with inner bags. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW motorcycle.